Wow, you booked the Klook, babe!
Yeah.
Proud of you.
So, meron ako nakuha sa Klook na voucher na manunundo na agad from the airport papunta sa hotel, which is kami, nag-stay kami sa Mandarin Bay. Pero, syempre, yung papunta doon, ayoko na siyang isipin. And then, meron ako nakita sa Klook, kaya ewan ko pwede lagay dito, na voucher siya na I could actually just have people pick me up, tapos punta na kami agad sa Mandarin Bay. Pagkadating namin, tinanong ko lang, Klook, saan yung Klook? Dinala kami dito sa Island Star Express. So, sumakay kami ng Grandia. Tapos, nandito kami ngayon sa parang boot station nila. I think sasakay ng bangka. And then after that, another van papunta sa hotel. But yeah, they have booths, different booths here for different mga expresses. Pero ang nakita ko, like for example, since ang hotel namin is Mandarin, meron na ring parang transport service si Mandarin. Pero I just wanted to try Klook. Mas marami akong pagpipilian for the Klook kesa sa just the hotel. Hindi ko alam saan pa ko kontakin yung hotel. So, sa Klook na lang ako naghanap. Mas madali kasi all-in-one yun. Nandun lahat. Meron tayo.
Number.
Nagburakay ka na pala. Hindi ako kasama. Rider ka.
Diyan lang mo. Okay pa. So far, so good. First time niya in Boracay. Ako 10 years na, so parang first time din.
Yes po, kasi dami na po nagbago.
Oo nga eh. So 1 year ng soft opening, tama?
Mag-1 year na po sa soft opening. So this is your room po. This Frankfurt po is for your door. So tap here. If it turns green, it's your room. Okay?
Wow. Very nice.
So we already also have a hot water na po in the tub, sink, and shower po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alam niyo guys, si Alec nag-book nito, so hindi ko alam. I'm so proud. Honestly, I'm so proud of Alec for finding this hotel. Kasi yung una kong Mandarin na na-search, parang hindi ko lang taste. Pero sabi, ay hindi yan yung na-book ko. I'm so proud. First time po, babe. Yung front office, hinatid tayo sa kwarto. Early check-in kami, hinatid kami sa room. At niroom tour.
Room tour. Tapos pwede rin makita yung presidential suite.
Kapag gusto mo. Ha? Okay. Ay, may dalup. Guys, bumili kami ng charger. Dahil naiwan namin yung charger namin. Look at that fine sand. Hey, ang ganda. Parang ano siya. Parang kang tumatapak sa creamer. Boracay. This is my favorite weather. Yung mga ambon-ambon. Tapos, hindi maaraw. Pwede ka pa rin maglakad dito. Look at that, babe! Yeah, ganda!
So, nagtanong kami sa Italian restaurant sa baba kung ano yung mga mains nila. So, sabi, meron daw ribs. So, nag-order naman kami ng ribs. Kala ko naman pang isang tao lang. Tapos dumating ganito.
Bro! So, hindi na tayo kakain sa labas ng 3 days. Kasi sobrang in-order natin. Sobrang.
Grabe.
Can I cut it? Finally starting our day 2. Maaraw na. Wala nang ulan. It's 3 p.m. Magla-lunch pa lang kami because natulog kami after breakfast. Hello po.
Destination?
Nalca, Station 1. Punta kami sa Nalca. We're gonna have seafood. Sabi ni Ayoki, who is our friend, we'll meet her tomorrow. Sabi niya dito daw masarap. So, tahanan natin.
So fun. Look, araw.
May sunset mamaya. Garlic butter. Uy, ang ganda ng view dito, kaya lang may inaayos doon. Pero look at the view. Oh my gosh! Liempo! Be!
Once po natin muna garlic butter.
Rice. So, what's your message to 2024 yan? I will listen to it.
My message to 2024, Yani. Thank you for making times to work. Thank you for making every moment more special. Thank you for always forgiving me, always being patient with me. Thank you for always pushing me to be better, but maybe 2025, 2026, other versions of you still do that.
Ka. Annoying siya by that time. Yun na talaga siya.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la.
Matalon tayo. Kasi yun yung pustahan. Nagulog mo nito para may content.
Sige.
Bakit ako lang kumain? Pag nahulog, nakalog.
Right.
Okay, we're eating here. Island chicken inasal. 3:30 ngayon pa tayo magla-lunch. So, wala pang tao. Here, we're eating at Island Inasal. Tikman natin kung masarap pa. Ito, busy-busy magtrabaho.
Trabaho.
This is Kansi. Gising-gising. Inasal. Oh, sarap. Of course, chicken oil. We have sinamac and soy sauce. Okay, branding. Babe, ano masasabi mo sa Kansi?
Ang sarap. Grabe.
Kita ko sa inyo guys ha. Ang laki ng mga meat. Sarap nga to sa cook. Oh, ang daming meat. Tapos meron na dalawa dito. Kay Alep, meron pa. Island Inasal. Let's try. Sarap. Babe, what you're eating.
Mama.
Paano itong ice cream na to?
Sugar bestie. 10 out of 10. Oh, mama.
Ano mas gusto mo, coco or ube?
Oh, medyo bias ako sa coconut.
Ah? Kadagdag mo yung ice cream.
Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind.
Grabe, ang ganda dito, babe. Mas maganda pa to sa Bali.
Why go to Bali? We have Hangman ng Boracay. What the heck?
I'll stay here for as long as I can. the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly began to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind.
Oh, yan naman, labi-dabi.
Here at Moon Spa again. Ganun siya kasarap. Uulitin namin siya for night number 2, which is also our last night in Boracay. So, let's go.
Fruits and juice. Habang nasa jacuzzi po kayo. And then after po ng timer, mag-shower po. No need to sabon po kasi sayang yung ano ng coconut. Okay. Sa mukha lang po.
Pakiramdam.
Ang pakiramdam may chandelier sa spa mo.
Isa kang kalabasa sa ginataang kalabasa.
Diba nilagay yung yung gata. After nung gata, hinapakuluan. Ito na yan. Ito na yan.
Alam mo na yung next, piprituhin ka na.
Diba ng pakiramdam may chandelier ka dyan sa spa.
Sa pag-flex
Pero may nagpaligo sa atin. Ano pala pakiramdam ng mga baby?
Binabad lang ako sa...
Ano pakiramdam ng baby na pinapaligo?
Dahil sa nangyari kanina, pakiramdam ko bumalik ako sa sinapunan lang. Hey guys, so pauwi kami and na-realize ko lang habang nandito kami sa sobrang taas na lugar na at one point sa history ng humankind, it was impossible for people to fly. It was impossible to go fast sa isang lugar and, you know, travel overseas and be up in the air like this. Yet it is possible. Yet today it's possible. So kung ito nga na imposible, naging posible, paano pa yung mga pangarap mo? Paano pa yung mga business na gusto mong simulan? Paano pa yung mga travels na gusto mong puntahan? Wala talagang imposible. As long as naniniwala ka. Yun lang yung kailangan mong gawin. Maniwala ka. So, the vlog ends here. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. And enjoy nyo rin as much as we enjoyed it. What was your favorite part of the trip, Joms?
The food trip. As a food.
Madami tayong food trip. What was the best food that you eaten in Boracay?
Ube mama. Ube mama, dessert, or food, I like nalka.
Ano yung lalata?
Seafood.
Oh! Yeah!
Mamma Mia in Mandarin Bay is also nice for Italian. Para kung bumalik sa Italy.
Ako, my favorite part was Shangri-La.
Oh yeah!
The beach. Nakaiba. So, babalik kami doon.
Ay, drinks. Ang sarap.
Promise, babalik kami doon. Anyway.
And Helios Spa. Ang dami pala.
Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. That's our vlog.